Hello, everybody, and welcome to Work Against the Grain. My name is Jeff. Had a viewer write in and ask if I could show how to make a dished seat out of 3/4 inch material for a stool. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. For a stool. So let's go create new file. Now, I believe VCarve is the same. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it's the same. If not, maybe somebody could correct me or tell me what's different, and I can help work through that. Anyway, we'll start out single-sided machining, 16 by 16, 3/4 inch thick. We'll zero off the machine bed in the lower left corner and click OK. And they wanted the stool to be 12 inches. And so let's make a 12-inch diameter circle in the middle of the material like that. Click close. And then in the clip art, you've got a 30-degree dish, 45-degree dish, 60-degree dish, and a 90-degree dish. And we're going to bring in the 30-degree dish and put it right there in the middle. Go back to the modeling tab. That was from the clip art tab. And within the modeling tab, we are going to set selected object size, and we'll make it 12 inches. Click apply. And then while the component is selected, select the 12-inch vector that we drew, come to your centering guidelines, and click the center to vector. And that puts that model right in the middle. Click close. And then we want to come up here to model, create component, add zero plane. And then from the dome dish, come to settings, make the dish 3/8 of an inch deep, and set the combine mode to subtract. And let me display both views and close. And so now, as you can see, we've got our zero plane and our domed dish set to subtract at 3/8 of an inch. And so we'll come over here to our tool paths, and utilizing this vector here, we'll create a 3D finishing tool path. We'll put our model 0.010 of an inch below the surface of the material. Click OK. We'll use a 1/4 inch ball nose with the selected vectors in an offset fashion. Calculate. And then with that same vector selected, we'll use a profile tool path, cutting the full 3/4 of an inch. I have a 1/2 inch end mill here outside the vector line, and calculate. And when we preview all the tool paths, we end up with a 30-degree dished seat that you could use for a stool. I know that was quick. I sure hope that answers the question that was posed. And again, if VCarve doesn't have one of those features, perhaps upgrade to Aspire, or let me know what you do have as it relates in VCarve. I just don't have it installed currently, but hopefully this helped out. And I want to thank everybody again for watching. This is Work Against the Grain. My name is Jeff.